always a proverb or a saying to match whatever emotion or situation there is. Now, these proverbs or sayings are influenced by our multicultural ancestry, namely that of the African and English ancestry. And of course, it's not just the saying or the proverb, it's how you say it too. Now, I want you to listen to me good. Now, wait till drum beat before you grind your axe. In English, it would be, do not wait until the drum beats before you grind your axe. In other words, don't wait until the need has become great and urgent. Anticipate the need and plan in advance. Try always to be prepared. You hear me? Now wait till drum beat before you grind your axe. There is so much truth and wisdom in our good old Jamaican proverbs. So we need to claim our heritage, know our culture, get to know we Jamaican proverb them, and use them when we really need to.